Hello and welcome to the short video on the solid steel right angle baby pin for the 3 and 4-way clamp. This solid steel right angle baby pin enables you to mount any fixture or accessory with a 5/8 inch baby receiver right side up using a 3 or 4-way clamp. On the clamp mounting end, it features a square notch in the thread with a knurled locking collar for connecting to the 3 or 4-way clamp. There is also a hole drilled through the locking collar for tightening, and a baby 5/8 inch knurled pin on the other side for mounting your light fixture. To mount the clamp, press the small locking button on top of the clamp opposite the hinge. Place the clamp around the riser section and lock in place. Slide the squared end of the right angle pin into the square notch on the clamp and secure the locking collar. To mount the Electro monolight, simply slide the baby receiver onto the baby pin and tighten to secure. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.